Hi guys, this building was originally in the early 80s. It was created down the Gold Coast, part of the country club down there, very prestigious a place at its time. And then eventually the land became too valuable to play golf and was turning into thousands of housing estates. We purchased the building and moved it up here. This section was 5 different pieces. As you can see, little line marks on the floor when you look at that. And some of these were so heavy, they're concrete based in the bottom. And we did not like having the wet weather. The truck just sank into the moisture there. But most of them came out really well. And here we are today, joined together, secure, safe, and turning into one pretty decent looking building. A lot of work to go. The guys are doing a great job. Just to give you an idea, here we are screwing the walls on to keep them there. This here is where the entrance is going to be. There's going to be a ramp coming up from there, walking into this building, into this part here. This will also be like a baby, small child's cry room area, and just general welcome area. Moving down this side, it's going to be a combination of just normal seating plus tables and chairs. There'll be combinations for that, hopefully even some small lounge chairs for those who like a little more comfort when they're seating here. The design down here, this will be the stage area. This is closed in and soundproofed. And also heat-proof. We don't want the western sun beating in here. But these are going to be winged walls here with the door. Same on the other side. Plenty of light, plenty of windows. There'll be heavy curtains available to darken the room so if you want to have a movie at night and show things like that. But coming together well. The windows are slowly, but in the next month they'll be repaired. Over to this other side. It's great that you can look through the walls at the moment. Saves a lot of hassle. This area here is going to be the disabled loo. You're coming through that door that you can see on the other side there. Disabled loo, and also facilities for babies. So there'll be a fold-down table and all the stuff that young mums need. This will be a shower. We fought hard and found a spot where we can put a shower in. If we have a shower, it's got to be a disabled shower, and that's what's going in there. So no matter what happens here, there's good facilities. This used to be the men's loo, but we found we didn't need it. This thing and both sides will be ladies' loos, more than enough. Through to this main section here, another door will be placed through there into the men's side of things. So more than enough facilities for a crowd who's ever here. This will be the main doors into the auditorium. We'll try and soundproof this as much as possible. Auditorium this side. This side is going to be kids area and tables and chairs. And over this way is where the Sunday school section is going to be, and the kids will have that open area for their activities there. That'll be them there. Corner here will be perhaps not call it a kitchen, but a servery area. There'll be room for a couple of fridges and just a normal household kitchen stove and bain-marie perhaps or two. But that type of stuff. So plenty of food is going to be coming out of this place here, but it's not a commercial kitchen. As you can hear, there's guys working here today. They're all volunteers and just helping us with this dream, with this vision. And there's room for plenty more. Whether you've got a day or a week or a month, we can find a spot for a caravan. We can find a bed for you for a couple of nights. We will feed you. But if you've got some time, some skills, or even just some labour, we would love to have you come and help us. This is a big project. We're going well, but more hands will really make it easier. Thank you in anticipation for what you're going to give us.